Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a single surprising fact that anchors the whole video. This is the engine. Explain why it matters immediately, then show a quick 3-5 second visual, image, or animation to hook viewers. Once done, read a tight 60-90 second outline allowed to test pacing and clarity. Make sure to note 1 or 2 supporting facts and a clear call to action. That keeps you focused and gives editors precise markers for cuts. Now you assemble the middle. 3 segments that move from the fact to explanation to why it matters. Use a single visual per segment, chart, photo, or short animation to reinforce the claim and speak conversationally so viewers follow the logic. Once recorded, do 2 takes, 1 loose for energy and 1 tightened for clarity. Editors will splice the best lines. Make sure to label timestamps and include any quick on-screen captions for complex numbers or comparisons. You finish by trimming to the target length and smoothing transitions so every sentence earns its place. Once done, add a concise closing summary and a clear call to action. Captions and a thumbnail-ready frame help discovery. Export with consistent levels and 1-2 mastering passes. If audio has hiss or uneven volume, apply a gentle EQ cut and normalization, then recheck in headphones. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.